Welcome to my cooking show. It's called 1014, and here we see I'm supposed to finish the cooking of this unfinished miso soup. Here I am put with a challenge. How am I supposed to do this? That is the question. And this I will answer by showing you me doing it, basically. Here I start with mixing it. Doing it correctly. Here I'll put the audience so they can watch me, which is you guys and gals. So, technical difficulties. Oh, wait a second. Sorry, wait a second. Here, we start with squishing it and mixing it. Here, we do mixing first. Squishing, then we mix. Head around. Continue. We go the circular motion, as you see here. The circular motion is very important, and also squishing the miso and swiping it in the bowl. That very much helps it, as you see here. We mix it. And now we will do one of our best materials in this cooking show. Then we will continue with some salt. Salt is very important. If I can open it. There. See? This is some grains of salt. And we will be mixing it in. First dropping it. 2 of them, maybe 3, maybe even 4. And here, we continue to mix it. And yes, I told you that circular motion, that is very important. And make sure all the miso is crushed, as that will enhance the flavor. Also, this is also a good time to taste the flavor of your miso soup. Needs more miso, you might say. That's, in this case, what's going on. Here, we will take this much more miso. And you might need a lot of miso for your miso soup. If you have a lot, and miso soup tastes really good, so better make it. It's also very healthy, and it also can help you with a lot of issues, let's just say. Can't name them right now. Maybe I should add a bit more salt on the way, because it doesn't seem so salty. It's not exactly what we want. We just want to enhance the flavor. Let's go and taste it now. See? It already tastes like a finished miso soup, but it's still not all crushed. So here, here you see, I'm mixing it more. What? Oh.
Hey, how do you do this? How did she get you out here? Mama! I'm doing right now.
Sorry about that, guys.
What are you
Get out of here,
filming?
brother. Sorry, guys.
Crazy! It's Mama.
You're making more miso soup after your tummy got hurt by it.
Bro, no, that's
From
because I
drinking too
was
much?
eating too much, and I got...
Yeah, you had too much, and you're making the same
No,
amount as
No,
before.
not the same amount. I have much more.
Move it, you stupid dog!
It's a cooking show. You must be
you.
quiet. You gotta be
You're not
quiet.
the
It's a
stupid
cooking show.
Right.
I need to use the restroom.
Okay, you can go
Really
past.
cooking.
Okay, I'm just
I'm
trying.
not peeing your soup, man.
Why you... This is not appropriate for a cooking show here.
That's what I'm saying.
Then why are you saying it?
That's not what's happening.
Mothers, German mothers, especially. Get out of here. You're messing up the filming. Both of you. Especially you, brother.
Add 1 potato chip.
No, you do. That potato chip's mine.
See, add 1 potato chip.
Now, what you do next grab some dried seaweed. Any type of your choice.
Chips.
Give me that chip now.
It's okay.
What important?
Is that you use a small amount.
Yes. You use
This is gonna be the most
500.
funny
I mean, I'm not
cooking show
500.
ever.
Okay, stop it.
Oh no.
Here, you have this amount. You should use that for your and you just put it in like that. Nothing fancy.
Yeah, throw it in like it's worth nothing.
Because it's worth a lot of money. I think. Not sure.
Why don't you sell it?
Because it's a cooking show.